Fixing your left Bose earbud, a step-by-step guide.
Hello, and welcome. Today we'll be talking about a common issue some users face: a Bose earbud that stopped working. Don't worry though, we'll go through some simple steps to help you troubleshoot and, hopefully, fix the issue with your left Bose earbud not working.
Is the problem with both earbuds or just one?
The first thing we need to do is determine if the issue is only with your left earbud, or if both earbuds are having problems. Try the following. Check the sound balance on your device, make sure it's centered. Disconnect the earbuds and reconnect them to your device. Try connecting your earbuds to a different device. If both earbuds are having issues or the issue persists on a different device, the problem might be more serious.
Cleaning the earbud.
If the problem is just with your left earbud, one possible solution could be as simple as cleaning your earbud. Debris or earwax can sometimes block the sound. Use the following steps to clean your earbuds. Use a soft, dry cloth to clean the outside part of the earbud. For the speaker mesh, use a dry, soft bristled brush gently to remove any debris.
Checking the battery.
Earbuds may sometimes fail to work due to battery issues. Make sure to check that your earbuds are fully charged. Here's how you can ensure this. Place both earbuds in the charging case and ensure that the case itself is charged. You should see an LED indicator light up to signify charging.
Resetting the earbuds.
If the issue persists after cleaning and charging, try resetting your Bose earbuds. This can often resolve connectivity or sound issues. Here's how you can do it. Remove your earbuds from your device's Bluetooth list. Place the earbuds into the charging case, then close the lid. Wait for about 5 seconds, then open the lid. Press and hold the Bluetooth button in the case for about 30 seconds until the LED indicator blinks white. Repair your earbuds to your device. And there you have it. We hope these steps help you get your left Bose earbud back in working order. Remember, if none of these solutions work, it might be time to contact Bose support or get a professional to take a look at it. Thanks for watching, and happy listening.